Welcome to the Europlacer stand here at SMT Hybrid Packaging. Delighted to be joined by David Kammerer, who is the German sales manager.
Yeah, that's right.
Nice to meet you, David.
Nice to meet you, Trevor. Hi.
Okay. So, let's start first of all. Last Productronica, you launched a completely new platform with the Atom.
Yeah, that's right.
Great new platform, great new system. How's it been accepted in the German market?
Oh, so far we got really quite good feedback. You know, it's opening for us a new market. Europlacer always was quite strong in the flexible sector for small batches, mid-sized batches, and very often owner-driven companies.
Right.
And now we were growing together with a lot of our customers, and the demand for higher speed was there. The customers liked the concept, the flexibility, and being able to do everything with one machine. And so we decided we need to go the next step and put some more speed into the concept.
Right.
And so now we can offer everything from prototyping up to nearly high-speed machines. I think 100,000 CPH is already high-speed,
Right.
and but still having the same flexibility.
Right.
So that's what the customers really like. And
The high-speed market, though, is a different market from the one you've been in, and it's a different sale.
Absolutely.
So how have you been handling that, and has that been received well amongst the Tier 1 companies?
You know, in the high-speed market we have very strong competition, and for us it's new, as you say. So at the moment we are more focusing on customers which were growing together with us and have a higher demand on speed.
Okay.
And we also have to learn, ongoing learning, with this new market we are now getting into. But we generally get the feedback that the people like it. The high-speed guys trying to get more and more flexible, and we already know how to be flexible, and we just add some speed to it. So I think that's a good approach from us, and I think that's going to be successful.
Yeah, it's very true. I mean, with this increasing amount of customization coming into the industry, so we're doing smaller lots, and people have to get used to the quick changeover and this type of thing. What are the key features over and above the flexibility of the system that the customers you're talking to like with the Atom?
Yeah. So the main approach of the Atom is that we have one system where the customer can really do everything. You can put a dispenser in, which is the flexibility more or less, but also on the other hand has the ability to really have a good throughput and have a very profitable machine. Right. You know, most of our customers are small companies, and if they take this invest, it's a huge invest for them, and they don't have to send away any customers. Right. Yeah, they can take every job they want to take, and they don't have to say no. And that's, I think, the biggest advantage. So it makes it a very profitable machine, I think.
Right.
That's the point.
Absolutely. Yeah. And you touched on a point there that not a lot of people know about Europlacer and Speedprint, and that's the ability to put that dispenser into the system. That's right. So on the printing side, after you've printed the board, if there's any missing paste anywhere, you can top it up. And the same happens in the pick and place side.
Yeah, that's true. And you mentioned the printer. You know, the point is the customers, or the European customers, the market is going towards smaller batches. To let's say be able to pay the higher salaries you have here, and you need to produce higher demand electronics, more high tech, and there you normally have smaller batches. Right. And so you need to have a machine which can do everything, and the same is it with the printer. We have the dispenser inside. For example, you get a redesign and you don't want to do a new stencil just to add one more pad, and so you set a dot with the dispenser and you can go on with production. Yeah, and for a prototype, a batch with 10 pieces, you don't want to buy a new stencil. Yeah, so that makes it very flexible and fits to the whole range.
Absolutely. Let's turn our attention now to the German office.
Yeah.
It's relatively young.
Yeah.
How is it progressing? Where are you headquartered over here, by the way?
So the headquarter or the German office is located in the Frankfurt area, 30 kilometers away from Frankfurt. So we are pretty much in the middle of Germany, which is good. And we have a quite big office. We have 250 square meters of showroom. The whole line, printer, pick and place, and Hella Oven, which is a partner from us. We have a seminar room for trainings, customer trainings, and we have in-house a person working on the invoicing, delivery notes, all that stuff. 2 technical guys taking care of the customers, and myself also taking care of sales and the whole operation.
And are you doing any sort of application type work in the showroom?
Yeah. So if customers are coming there with new components or modules or whatever the problems they face today, they bring them there. We can set up together with them a working program. We can program this special component. We are also offering gripper nozzles, so we can find, let's say, a solution for nearly all demands the customers coming up.
Right. Right. Well, it's been great to catch up with you, David, and to learn more about what's happening over here in Germany. I'm sure it's going to continue to grow.
We are very positive, and I think it's going forward.
Great. Okay. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you very much.